AIDA Sales and Service ensures stable, high-quality production with a global network. Moreover, aiming for even greater growth by leveraging its stable finances and high earning power, AIDA will continue to build products that meet the needs of its customers. The AIDA Technical Center in Weingarten, Germany, the heart of the European auto industry, engages in the R&D of new equipment that is expanding technological frontiers. For AIDA, the future is the challenge. Customers worldwide choose our products for many reasons. We work with them and prosper together. We provide ever newer, ever better, environmentally friendly technologies and services. We help our customers make people's lives happier everywhere. Who are we? What are we? We are AIDA.